Well, here I am again. It's June the 5th and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I am at Idle Valley Nature Reserve again, near Retford, just outside of Retford. And I'm going to have a nice little walk round and see what I can see this morning. It's a regular place that I come to when we come over to see Pat's daughter, and I always come for a walk round here on my own. It's about a 3 or 4 mile walk, most enjoyable. It's cloudy, but the sun is out. It's quite warm. It's about 18 degrees. So let's take a look at what's on the lake at the moment.